Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is never start a business you are not passionate about. Ladies and gentlemen, we all want to start our own business at a certain stage in our life. People think that how long will we work for others? There must be something that we can call our own, and that own is our own business. But what that business should be? That business should be something about which you are passionate. If you are not passionate about it, it cannot be a business for you. And moreover, you should not even try to make it your business. Business should never be done half-heartedly. You must have full dedication and full commitment towards your business, and that is only possible if you do what you love to do. Ladies and gentlemen, being successful in a business only depends on one thing, that is, you should do what you love to do, not what other people are doing. Now, sometimes we get fascinated by other people, which is good in a certain way, because after all, from where we are getting all this motivation of doing different types of things? We are getting this motivation from some other source, and that other source may be anyone. It may be our friends, it may be our close colleagues, it may be our family members, it may be our relatives, or it may be some famous personality. So we get motivation from all these people with whom we interact on daily basis, the people whom we see on television, internet. We get motivation from these people. A person always gets motivated from other people. He looks at other people doing great things in their lives, and according to all those great things, he analyzes himself that what he is capable of, and then he starts his own business in that particular field. This is how a person selects his business. But business, people say that business requires money. You must have initial amount of money for investment. That is also fine. And then you must have a good knowledge of the thing that you want to implement. That is also fine. And then you should have a certain level of external support. That is also fine. But all these things are secondary, ladies and gentlemen. Initial money to start the business, and then people's support and other such type of support, that is secondary thing. The primary thing is whether you actually love to do that business or not. 16 to 17 people in your city are doing same type of business. That is the reason why you want to be the part of same business. That is not passion. This is not the criteria of deciding that what business you should select. 16 to 17 people of my city, of my town, are involved in this particular business only. That's why I am doing the same business. 16 to 17 people in my family are involved in same type of profession. That's why I want to become the part of the same profession. This is not the milestone of getting motivated. This is not a criteria of getting motivated. You are watching other people doing the same thing, and that's why you want to be the part of it. That is not motivation. Motivation is, do you actually feel that the business is good for you or not? Do you actually feel from inside that yes, whether you will be able to handle this business or not? And that motivation automatically comes, ladies and gentlemen. And how it comes, let me tell you. An individual always experiences different things in his life. And from where he is getting motivated, even he never knows unless he gets motivated. Analyze your life from childhood till your professional life. The people whom you meet, the subjects that you study, the books that you read, all these things, they shape up your personality. And by the time you reach at that stage where you are capable of deciding that what you should do in your life, at that time, you come to know that since I have participated in this particular kind of activity more and more, that's why I feel that I am proficient in this particular thing, and that's why this thing should be my business. I should make it my business. So this is how you select your business. Your business totally depends upon your passion. It never depends upon what other people are doing. It never depends upon what type of resources are currently available in market. It never depends upon how successful other people have been in different types of businesses that they are doing. Other people's success can never decide your future, ladies and gentlemen. This is your life. You know it distinctly. that what you are capable of and what you are not capable of. We can hide our personality from friends and relatives. We can hide our true personality from our own family members because we have to impress them anyhow. We have to impress them anyhow, and in order to impress people anyhow, we always project our false identity in front of everyone. I'm not good in mathematics, but I will try to project myself that I'm the master of mathematics in front of friends, family members, and relatives. I'm not good in physics, but I will try my best to project that I am the master of physics in front of friends, family members, and relatives. But deep down my heart, I truly know that whether I am good or not. Only an individual knows his reality. No other person can understand the actual reality of an individual. Not even his close family members, not even husband and wife, nothing. Only you as an individual can understand that what are your true capacities. Nobody else, because you don't tell other people. You don't even tell the people who are extremely close to you, your husband, your wife, your mother, your father. You don't even tell these people that what lies in your mind. Because there are certain things which are individual to a person, ladies and gentlemen, and this is very good. It should happen. Only then you can thoroughly analyze that what you are good at and what will be your business in future. Because if you want to make something your business, it is going to feed you money throughout your life. And if you are not perfect in that, at a certain stage in your life, that inflow of money is going to stop. If you think that you are not passionate about your business and you are just doing it half-heartedly, that stage will soon come in your life when there will be no inflow of money because of that business. This is true, ladies and gentlemen. But if you are passionate about the same thing, the flow of money is not going to stop. The flow of money is not going to stop, because if a person is passionate about something, he keeps experimenting with that particular thing. If related to a particular profession, you are performing a certain kind of activity for a certain period of time, for 6 years, 7 years, after 6 to 7 years, you will automatically think that let me do something more creative in this particular business. Automatically this idea will come in your mind that let us explore this field more and more. Let us read more books related to this particular field. Let us watch interviews of expert people in this field who are more experienced than me on YouTube. Let me associate with the news channels on television who are specifically dealing with this particular kind of thing in which I want to establish my business. So such type of innovative and creative ideas will automatically start coming in your mind, and not only the ideas will come, you will actually act on those ideas. And after acting on those creative ideas, you will further gain more profit and more money. So this is how we decide our future. If you are not passionate about something, you will always do it half-heartedly, ladies and gentlemen. Always remember this thing. If you are not passionate about your profession, if you are not passionate about your business, you will always do it half-heartedly. And if something is done half-heartedly, it is going to bring you half of the money only. It is not going to bring you complete full profit. You will not be satisfied with the profit that you gain if you work on something half-heartedly. That's why work on your profession full-heartedly. Work on your profession with full commitment and dedication. And that is only going to happen if you make your passion your business. If the business which you are running, you are not passionate about it, you are going to lose that business very soon. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, before going for any type of job, before going for any type of business, before even going for any type of study, higher education, first of all, try to find out that what you are passionate about and do only that thing. Something which you are not passionate about, I must say, please don't touch it. Please don't touch it. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.